Hey everybody, welcome back. So today I'll be talking about levers. So lever is a very simple thing, and it works on the principle of torque. So I'll define what is a lever first. So it is basically a straight rigid bar. So you can see that it is a straight rigid bar which can rotate about a fixed axis. So let's say you have seen a seesaw, right? So seesaw is like this. That is nothing but a lever only. But in the case of machines, when we are using levers, it is not necessary that the that this point where it is rotating about, the axis which it is rotating about, that would be in middle. In fact, it is not never in the middle. So let's say this is a point where this whole thing can rotate about. This is the axis, and this point, where this point is fixed, basically it can never move anywhere, but this whole bar can rotate about this point. This point is called the fulcrum, right? So now, now if you see this whole setup, it has one bigger length or a larger length, one smaller length. This smaller length is called the load arm. This bigger is called the effort arm. Why I'm calling this effort, this as a effort arm, this as load arm, because we keep the load here. So let's say I have some load here which I want to pick up, right? By applying a force here, right? So this whole thing works on the principle of moments or the torque, right? So let's say just for an example, let's say I have a load here which is of 10 newtons, right? And this length is, let's say, 1 meter, correct? And this length is 2 meter, correct? So this is 1 meter. I need a this is a 10 newton. I need to lift it up, which means that I need to rotate it like this. So 10 Newton force is acting downwards. How much is this distance? It is 1 meter. So how much is the torque which this load is applying? That is 10 into 1. Which means that if I want to counterbalance it, or if I want to move it up, I will have to apply at least a counterclockwise torque of 10 Newton meter, right? Now, if my torque is 10 Newton meter and I want to apply a very less effort, what will I do? What is torque? Torque is nothing but force into distance from the point of rotation. So there are two terms here: force into distance from the point of rotation. Torque is fixed. If I want to reduce the force, what will I do? I will increase this distance, correct? So now to lift up this 10 Newton meter, 10 Newtons of load, I need to apply a 5 Newtons of force, right? Because this length is 2. So 5 into 2 will give me 10, right? So you see how my effort has been reduced to 5 Newton. If it would have been in middle, to pick up this load of 10 Newton, I would have needed a force of 10 Newton. But since I have increased this effort arm, now I need just 5 Newtons of force. So this is what the levers are, and this is how they work. Please subscribe to our channel. I hope you understood it. Thank you so much. Bye bye, and have a very great day.